Hi guys, so let's add configuration for our notification service. So I'm just copying the same configuration from customer and copy into resources. Let's just make some changes to it. It will run on port number 8083. The name will be notification. Then data source username is same, and we'll create a new database called notification. Let's just create it right away. So we have these two databases, customer and fraud. We need one more for notification service as well. Let's just create with the name notification and save it. So we have this database ready for us. We can use it uh, for our notification service here and keep other details same. It will also register with the Eureka server. So let's just keep other details as is. So now the next step is we would need to call this notification service from our customer controller from our register customer method in our service class. So to in order to call this, we would need to create a feign client as we have created feign client for fraud client in order to make fraud detection for our customer to be registered. Same way we need to create a notification client as well, which will be an interface for sending out all the notifications. So whichever service wants to send a native notification basically will make use of this particular interface, because in fraud detection also we have this fraud detection result class which was redundant across the services. I mean the calling service and the caller service, they both needed to maintain this particular fraud detection result class. In this notification case as well, we are sending out the notification and we are sending this notification request object. So this request objects needs to be present in our notification service as well as our customer service, as customer is generating this notification request object. So this is actually creating a redundancy across the services, which we don't want. And for that same purpose we'll be using feign client. So let's just create a new feign client for notification as well. Let's just create a new package for notification client and create a notification client class over here. Sorry, it will be an interface. It will be an interface and just annotate with it with feign. It will be a feign client, I guess. It will be a feign client only. Feign client and name it as a notification. Okay, so this is a notification client. So whichever service wants to call notification, they just need to invoke this particular object inside them through Spring auto wiring, and they can use this notification service. So we'll just copy this method from our notification controller inside notification client. Let's just remove the body and keep this method only. We would need this notification request class here as well. So let's just copy that notification request class. Yeah, now you can see the error has been removed. So here we just need full API, full endpoint URL, basically API slash v1 slash notification and then send. So this will be actually a post mapping which will actually call our notification service to send out the notification. So this is it for now. I mean, we can use this notification client in our uh, customer class in order to invoke the notifications. So let's just go to the controller, and in register in this customer service, basically we want to send out the notification. So let's just create the instance of notification client. Yeah, it's available here, notification client, and it will be auto add as we are using all our constructors, so it will be injected through constructor injection. And we are now ready to use this notification client here. So let's just call notification client dot send notification method and send a notification request. So we want to create a notification request object over here. uh, so this will actually expect this notification request object, and we want to pass it on to this notification uh, send notification method. So just create a notification request class. Just use a builder pattern to build it, and invoke all these parameters for it. So we'll use send to customer ID will be customer dot get ID. So we have got the customer in this step, which will use it here. Then send message will be uh, from my Java blog. Welcome to my Java blog. Welcome, comma. So this will be the message, and then send from is my Java blog. Then send to email is notification customer dot get email. Now I have said send to customer ID, send to email, then message, send from, and send at. Send at is local date time dot now, current time. So we have built this already. Okay, we have set this as a string, but it is long. So that's why it is giving an error. So it's removed now. And now just send this notification request to our notification service basically. So this will just receive it and call our notification service. So one more thing we wanted to add in our notification application class to enable enable it as a Fein client. So this will be a Fein client. Yeah, I suppose we are ready to run this application. So in next video, I will just run this for you and show you the result. Thank you.